All right, so in this video here, we're going to take a look at how do we multiply terms together, specifically ones that have variables and coefficients in them. We're going to take a look at a simple one. In this case here, it's 2a times 4a. And we're going to take a look at how does this become a new term, or how do we multiply this together to get a new term. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is how do we multiply? Well, when we're multiplying, we have to think of the rules that we've gone through in the past, whether it is learning just to multiply numbers together, or whether it was also learning how to multiply our variables together as well, so because we need to know both of them. The first thing that we need to do is we have to multiply our coefficients together. Now, that term coefficient, it's important to understand that that term means the number in front of the variable. It's the number being multiplied to the variable. Now, there is always a coefficient in front of a variable. If there is nothing showing up, that coefficient is a 1. That coefficient could also be negative. In this case, they're not. They're both positive. But we need to multiply our coefficients together. So here, it's going to be 2 times 4 because those are our two coefficients. And so our new coefficient, or our new number here, is going to be 8. Now, the second step is to multiply our variables together. And depending on how many variables we have or which variables we have will depend on what our final answer looks like. If we have multiple of the same variable, we're going to combine them together by adding the exponent on the variable. It's one of our exponent laws that you may have seen or to look through. If we multiply variables together that have the same variable, we can add the exponents together. So here we have a times a, and because they both have an exponent of 1, we're going to add them together and we have a squared. Okay, a times a is a squared. A number multiplied by itself is that number squared. Now that we have done our coefficients together and we've done our variables together, or combined our variables, we can put this together back into its own term. Okay? Now, this is something that we can only do when we have just two terms multiplied together. But when we do this, we're going to get a term of 8a squared. Okay, so 2a times 4a gives us 8a squared, and this becomes our simplified term based on this multiplication statement.